Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AP Chemistry test. First, ensure you have a solid grasp of all 9 units of content. This means understanding core principles like atomic structure and chemical reactions. Regularly review your class notes and textbook chapters to reinforce these foundational concepts. Building this strong base is crucial for tackling more complex topics later on. Next, immerse yourself in practice problems. Tackle numerous multiple-choice questions from official College Board materials to familiarize yourself with the format. Crucially, practice free response questions under timed conditions, simulating the actual exam. Afterward, carefully review the scoring guidelines to understand exactly what the graders are looking for and how to earn maximum points. To solidify your knowledge, employ effective review strategies. Make flashcards for essential terms, formulas, and common reactions to aid memorization. Don't hesitate to use online resources and dedicated AP Chemistry review books for extra explanations and practice. Consider forming a study group with peers. Discussing challenging concepts can provide new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Finally, prepare for exam day itself. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before to be well rested and alert. Eat a nutritious breakfast to maintain your energy and focus throughout the test. Arrive at the testing center early with all required materials, such as 2 number 2 pencils and an approved calculator, to minimize stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.